Spain is a country of vibrant contrasts, a land where ancient traditions blend seamlessly with modern culture, where every corner holds a story, and where its diverse landscapes offer endless opportunities for exploration. From sun-drenched Mediterranean beaches and Moorish palaces to bustling metropolises and quaint villages, Spain's charm is undeniable. Whether you're a lover of art, history, food, or outdoor adventure, this country offers something for every traveler. Today we will be exploring the best places to see in Spain, highlighting its most captivating destinations and experiences. Barcelona, a fusion of modernism and tradition. Located on the northeastern coast of Spain, Barcelona is a city that captivates visitors with its unique blend of history, art, and modernist architecture. As the capital of the Catalonia region, Barcelona is famous for its cultural heritage, world-class cuisine, and stunning landmarks. One of the city's most iconic sites is the Sagrada Familia, the masterpiece of architect Antoni Gaudí. This awe-inspiring basilica, still under construction after more than 140 years, is a symbol of Barcelona's creative spirit. Gaudí's influence is seen throughout the city, particularly in Park Güell, a colorful park adorned with mosaics, and the Casa Batlló and Casa Milà, two striking examples of his unique architectural style. The Gothic Quarter, or Barri Gòtic, is another must-visit area, with its labyrinth of narrow medieval streets, hidden squares, and centuries-old buildings. Take a stroll along the La Rambla, a lively pedestrian boulevard that runs through the heart of the city, where you'll find street performers, shops, and cafes. For art lovers, the Picasso Museum is a treasure trove of works by the famous artist who spent his formative years in Barcelona. Madrid, the royal capital. Spain's capital, Madrid, is a vibrant city known for its grand boulevards, elegant architecture, and world-class museums. It's a city that pulses with energy, day and night, offering a mix of royal history and contemporary culture. At the heart of Madrid lies the Royal Palace, or Palacio Real, the official residence of the Spanish royal family, though it is now used for state ceremonies. Visitors can tour its lavish rooms, including the throne room and the Royal Armory, which houses one of the finest collections of medieval weaponry in Europe. Madrid is also home to the Golden Triangle of Art, comprising the Prado Museum, the Reina Sofia Museum, and the Thyssen-Bornemisza Museum. The Prado is renowned for its collection of European art, including masterpieces by Velázquez, Goya, and El Greco, while the Reina Sofia is famous for housing Pablo Picasso's Guernica, a powerful anti-war painting. For a taste of local life, visit the Puerta del Sol and Plaza Mayor, two of Madrid's most famous squares. Don't miss a meal at a traditional tapas bar, where you can sample small plates of local delicacies, such as jamón ibérico, patatas bravas, and croquetas. Seville, the capital of the southern region of Andalusia, is a city that epitomizes the essence of Spain. Known for its passionate flamenco music, colorful festivals, and Moorish architecture, Seville is a city of immense cultural and historical significance. The Alcazar of Seville, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is one of the city's most important landmarks. Originally built as a Moorish fort in the 10th century, the Alcazar is a stunning example of Mudéjar architecture, with its intricate tile work, lush gardens, and ornate courtyards. The Seville Cathedral, the largest Gothic cathedral in the world, is another must-see attraction. Inside you'll find the tomb of Christopher Columbus, and from the top of the Giralda Tower you can enjoy panoramic views of the city. Seville is also famous for its lively festivals, particularly Semana Santa, or Holy Week, and the Feria de Abril, or April Fair, where locals dress in traditional Andalusian attire and celebrate with dancing, singing, and feasting. Nestled at the foot of the Sierra Nevada mountains, the city of Granada is home to one of Spain's most breathtaking attractions, the Alhambra. This sprawling palace complex, with its stunning courtyards, gardens, and intricate Islamic architecture, is a testament to the Moorish influence in Spain. The Nasrid palaces, with their intricate stucco work and elegant arches, are particularly impressive, as is the Generalife, the summer palace and gardens of the Moorish kings. Beyond the Alhambra, Granada's Albayacin district, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, offers a glimpse into the city's Moorish past. Wander through its narrow, winding streets, and stop at the Mirador de San Nicolas for one of the best views of the Alhambra against the backdrop of the Sierra Nevada. Granada is also known for its vibrant tapas culture. In many bars, you'll receive a free tapa with every drink, making it the perfect city to indulge in local specialties while soaking up the lively atmosphere. Located on Spain's southeastern coast, Valencia is a city that beautifully balances tradition and modernity. Known for its futuristic architecture, sunny beaches, and the famous Las Fallas Festival, Valencia is a destination that offers something for everyone. One of the city's most striking landmarks is the City of Arts and Sciences, a sprawling complex of modern architecture designed by Santiago Calatrava. The complex includes an opera house, a planetarium, an interactive science museum, and the L'Oceanographic, Europe's largest aquarium. Valencia is also famous for being the birthplace of paella, one of Spain's most beloved dishes. Head to a beachside restaurant to enjoy a traditional paella valenciana, made with chicken, rabbit, and saffron-infused rice. The Old Town, or El Carmen, is another highlight with its medieval buildings, vibrant street art, and the imposing Valencia Cathedral. Located in the Basque Country in northern Spain, Bilbao is a city that has reinvented itself in recent decades. Once an industrial hub, Bilbao is now known for its thriving arts scene, thanks in large part to the iconic Guggenheim Museum, designed by architect Frank Gehry. The museum's titanium-clad curves have become a symbol of the city's transformation, and its collection of contemporary art is equally impressive. Beyond the Guggenheim, Bilbao is a great base for exploring the Basque Country, known for its rich culture and pinzos, or Basque tapas. Don't miss the chance to visit the nearby town of San Sebastian, famous for its beautiful beaches, Michelin-starred restaurants, and vibrant culinary scene. Perched on a hill above the Tagus River, the ancient city of Toledo is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of Spain's most historically significant cities. Known as the City of Three Cultures, Toledo has been a melting pot of Christian, Jewish, and Muslim influences throughout its history. The city's medieval streets are lined with impressive monuments, including the Toledo Cathedral, one of the most important Gothic buildings in Spain, and the Alcazar of Toledo, a fortress that has played a central role in the city's history. Toledo is also famous for its El Greco art, and the El Greco Museum offers a fascinating look at the life and work of the famous painter. The city of Santiago de Compostela, located in the region of Galicia, is the final destination of the Camino de Santiago pilgrimage route, which has been followed by pilgrims for centuries. The city's Cathedral of Santiago de Compostela, where the remains of St. James the Apostle are said to be buried, is one of the most important religious sites in the world. Santiago's historic center is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, with its cobbled streets, medieval buildings, and lively squares offering a glimpse into its storied past. The Praça do Obradoiro, the city's main square, is a popular gathering place for pilgrims and tourists alike, offering stunning views of the cathedral's facade. For those seeking sun, sea, and relaxation, the Balearic island of Mallorca is a paradise of crystal-clear waters, golden beaches, and charming villages. The island's capital, Palma, is home to the stunning Palma Cathedral, while the nearby Belver Castle offers panoramic views of the city and the sea. Mallorca's Serra de Tramuntana mountain range is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a popular destination for hikers and cyclists. The island is also dotted with picturesque towns, such as Valdemasa and Soler, where visitors can experience the island's traditional culture and cuisine. Famous for its legendary nightlife, Ibiza is a destination that attracts partygoers from around the world. But beyond its world-renowned clubs and beach parties, Ibiza has a quieter, more serene side. The island is home to beautiful beaches, hidden coves, and charming villages where you can unwind and soak up the Mediterranean sun. Ibiza's Dalt Villa, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a fortified old town with narrow streets, historic buildings, and stunning views of the harbor. The island's hippie markets, such as the Las Dalias Market, are also popular attractions, offering handmade crafts, clothing, and local products. Spain is a country of endless beauty, history, and diversity. Whether you're exploring the architectural wonders of Barcelona and Granada, experiencing the vibrant culture of Madrid and Seville, or relaxing on the sun-drenched beaches of the Balearic Islands, there is something for everyone in this captivating country. Each region offers its own unique charm, making Spain one of the most fascinating and rewarding travel destinations in the world. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe.